India has a rich culture, with many temples, hills and sanctuaries. It is well known for its majestic tourist places, hills, rivers, plateaus, plains, beaches, deltas and deserts, many luxurious hotels and resorts, picturesque nature sites, and whether it is Ajanta-Ellora caves or Taj Mahal, the love monument which comes under 7 wonders of world. From culture to traditions to history to nature to adventure to man-made beauties, it has the most amazing array of travel products and destinations to offer to the tourists throughout the world. You can visit India to find yourself in the mountains of Himalayas and to be mesmerized by the ancient temples. Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to share a history of Sri Yaganti Uma Maheswara Temple, or Yaganti is a temple of Shiva in Nandyal district in the India state of Andhra Pradesh, India. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Sri Yaganti Uma Maheswara Temple, or Yaganti, was built according to Vaishnavaite traditions. This temple was constructed by King Harihara Bukka Raya of the Sangama Dynasty of the Vijayanagara Empire in the 15th century. It was built according to Vaishnavaite traditions. One story of the site's origin is, the sage Agastya wanted to build a temple for Lord Venkateswara on the site. However, the statue that was made could not be installed as the toe nail of the idol got broken. The sage was upset over this and performed a penance for Shiva. When Shiva appeared, he said the place suits Shiva better as it resembles Kailash. Agastya then requested Shiva to give the devotees a Parvathi Goddess as Lord Uma Maheswara in a single stone, which Shiva obliged. A second story is, Chitteppa, a devotee of Shiva, was worshipping Shiva and Shiva appeared to him as a tiger. Chitteppa understood that it was Lord Shiva in tiger form, and shouted Neganti Shivanu kanti, meaning, I saw Shiva, I saw, and danced with joy. There is a cave called Chitteppa nearby. Sri Yaganti Uma Maheswara Temple is one of the few temples patronized by one of the great dynasties of India. Every year Mahashivaratri is celebrated and a large number of devotees from all over Andhra Pradesh visit. Shiva, Parvati and Nandi are the main deities in this temple. This temple is 14 kilometers away from Banaganipalli in Kurnool. The Saint Lord Veerabhadramendra Swami stayed here for some time and wrote Kalagnanam. A feature of this temple is its Pushkarini, a small pond of water on the temple premises. Water flows into this Pushkarini from the bottom of hill through the mouth of a Nandi bull. The water is fresh and sweet, as it comes from the hills. No one knows how the water reaches the pond all year round, and this temple architecture in terms of its sculpture shows the skills of ancient Vishwakarma Sthapathis. Devotees find that a holy bath in Pushkarini is highly beneficial. After taking a bath in Pushkarini, they pay tributes to Lord Shiva. The sage Agastya bathed in Pushkarini and worshipped Shiva. Agastya Cave is the cave where Agastya performed his penance for Shiva. One can enter the cave by climbing 120 steep steps. An idol to Devi is installed and may be worshipped here. Damaged idol of Lord Venkateswara is present in Venkateswara Cave. Compared to Agastya Cave, it is easy to climb though the steps are steep. According to the story, this idol was present in this cave before the Tirumala Venkateswara temple was constructed. But as the idol is damaged near the foot, it could not be worshipped. Sri Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami tells in his Kala Gainam that this place can stand as an alternative to Tirupati. Veera Brahmam Cave, where Saint Sri Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami wrote some of his Kala Nanam prophecy. The height of the cave is less and one needs to bend half over to enter it. The devotees believe that the Nandi idol in front of the temple is continuously increasing its size. The locals say that the idol was initially much smaller than its present size. They say that certain experimentation was carried out on this idol, and it was said that the type of rock out of which the idol is carved has a growing or enlarging nature associated with it. It is said that people used to do productions rounds around it in the past. The temple staff has already removed one pillar as the size of the Nandi has increased. According to Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami, the Baswanna, stone Nandi, of Yaganti will come alive and shout when Kali Yuga ends. Legend has it that while the sage Agastya was performing his penance, crows disturbed him and he cursed that the crows cannot enter the place. As the crow is the Vahana for Lord Shani, it is believed that Shani cannot enter this place. Yaganti is located in the Nandyal district in the state of Andhra Pradesh, India, approximately 100 kilometers from the city of Kurnool. The temple is 14 kilometers west of Banaganapalle Mandal headquarters on the Banaganapalle-Pipulli road. One can reach the temple even from the historic site Belem Caves in 1.5 hours and measures a distance of 45 kilometers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video and will explore Sri Varaha Lakshmi Narsimha Temple situated on the Simhachalam Hill Range, which is 300 meters above the sea level in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India.